barbecue sauce at the pit, and it's real easy to do. That's what I said, cigar ash barbecue sauce. And if you've never had it before, you definitely got to check this out. All right, we start out with some cigar ash. Now, for this recipe, you're going to need some of your favorite barbecue sauce. We're using a bold and spicy one, right? Use your favorite barbecue sauce. You're going to need a couple bottles. You can head over to our website and get the exact ingredients. Now, here we're adding some apple cider vinegar, just a bit. And we have some apple juice. So sweeten it up just a little bit. Now, that's the frothing going on. That's being caused by the cigar ash. The cigar ash is essentially carbon, potassium, calcium. It causes that frothing. Just like that. Oh, man. It'll thicken up real fast. Now, of course, you want to bring this to simmer. Right? It will begin to thicken. You can see it already. Now, a few other ingredients. Of course, we're going to season our sauce. Use your favorite seasoning or don't use any at all. There's plenty of flavor in this sauce as is, all right? And that looks good. Now, you don't want to add cigarette ash to this. Cigar ash is natural. Just like that. All right. Simmer away. Keep stirring. Now, you got it. It's good. And as always, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster privilege. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out barbecuepitboys.com.